Today's topic.
What the Supreme Court just did was that they chose to endanger the lives of all women and all birthing people in this country. But not only that, they've chosen to strip rights from men too.
Strip rights from men. As far as I'm concerned, I think from what I've understood, the My Body, My Choice movement is all about fierce female independence from men. Yet when we talk about equal rights when it comes to the reproductive process, men are still held financially responsible. And the idea of financial abortions, of men choosing not to be responsible for children that women choose to have, has still been ignored up until this day. So why are men getting pulled into this dogfight?
Okay, good question. Like you just said, the rights of men are not relevant when it comes to the abortion issue. It is my body, my choice, and it always has been. And I think this is one of those key times where women's biology is different from man's biology. So men are not going to have the same decisions to make when it comes to pregnancy.
Should men still be held financially responsible?
So that's like a whole nother conversation. I do not think that men should be held financially responsible in every situation.
Because of female.
In this case though, with abortion being criminal, now I don't want to get pulled into the emotional rhetoric that the left is using right now. But I would say the reason why she's talking about men's rights being infringed upon as well is because ideally in a perfect situation with two consenting adults starting a family or they're in a relationship, they should be able to decide together whether or not they want to keep a baby.
But legally, that's not the case. I just want to clarify because we can't talk about ideals when it comes to the legal definition of the law. A man has no choice, correct?
He has no choice.
Okay, so then why are men held financially responsible?
Because at the end of the day, if a woman does have a baby and a man does have a baby, like if they both have a baby together.
No, we're talking about the legal definition. We're not talking about contextually the individual level. If it is a woman's choice, so she has complete autonomy and responsibility, right? Mm-hmm. Why is a man being dragged into it? If it's always been about my body, my choice, why are men being held financially responsible?
So you say no men should be held financially responsible?
I think that if you are not going to give men any rights into the reproductive process, why are we being held financially responsible?
Because some men decide to flake out and leave the woman.
So you had a choice.
The burden is completely.
So the women had a choice, right? So you have the choice. It's my body, my choice. So you have the choice to have an abortion. You have the choice who you lay down with. You have the choice to who you sleep with. You have a choice to use contraceptives. You have a choice to wear condoms or not. You have a choice not to have sex at all if you want. So why are men still being held financially responsible? Because as far as I'm concerned, we're talking about my body, my choice, and we're talking about fierce female independence. It's like, why are you still dependent on a man financially then? No comment?
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.